Wow, where do we begin with this? This is a part exchange that's come in. Normally we don't retail cars with this sort of mileage. However, the condition of this car, the options, is just incredible that we're offering it for retail sale. It's a part exchange to clear. It's a Mini Cooper with £8,300 worth of factory fitted options, we believe. It is just phenomenal options on it actually. Pan roof, sports seats, leather seats, satellite navigation, just to name a few, but they're all listed on the website with all the options. It is just incredible. December 2011 on a 61 plate, Eclipse grey metallic, incredible service history as well. It's got a Miltech stainless steel exhaust, rear parking sensors. We'll take you all the way around it to show you what condition this car is. Good sized boot on these minis, nice and deep for the size of the car, and look at that beautiful interior. It's got the light grey interior, which is very rare, just makes it beautiful inside. No spare wheel, all the toolkit there including the lock and wheel bolts. Beautiful on the bodywork all the way around. It's got Michelin cross climate tyres all the way around, which are fitted last August, all in great condition. It's got the black alloy wheels. They have got a slight curbing on the edges, but no major damage, so we'll happily point that out. The bodywork is lovely and clean, no major dents, scratches or scrapes, but of course there will be a few stone chips due to the age and the mileage. Again, a close up of the near side front wheel. As I said, there is slight curbing, but again, no major damage. Tyres, as you can see, plenty of tread all across the front. No major chips at all. It's got the black stripes. Again, a good close up across the front. And this is why we're happy to do a full video of the car, so you've got a full idea of what the car's like even before you leave your home. That wheel's almost perfect. Again, the bodywork down the sides. Got the black mirror caps. And the final wheel, again, very good. Just slight curbing on the edge there. And again, the tyre in great condition. Twin panoramic roofs. Just look at that beautiful interior. Again, the whole leather is in great condition. The back seats look hardly ever worn in. The driver's seat, you would not believe it's done 93,000 miles. The condition of that is absolutely incredible. Got leather multifunction steering wheel. A very bright day. Unfortunately, the sun is affecting the camera slightly. But the interior is just beautiful. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All the trims in great condition. Bear in mind it is a 2011 car. All the menus work from there. You've got navigation. Got Bluetooth, stereo, media input, CD player, dual zone climate control, heated front windscreen, heated front seats, six-speed manual gearbox with a very special gear lever there, Craver speed gear lever, believe it or not. Mileage of 93,563. That's just on 93,563. So for its age, it is a low mileage. Another multifunction steering wheel with voice activation.
Cancel.
Cruise control speed limiter. And of course the glass panoramic roof. One touch. It is a slide and tilt with the cover. Great feature. If you want a great fun car, this has got to be it. 185 brake horsepower, 1.6 petrol engine with great spec, as I mentioned. £8,000 worth of factory fitted options, fabulous condition and fantastic service history. What a car, great value for money. As I mentioned, this is a part exchange to clear. We can't offer any finance on it due to the age of the vehicle. The car is ready to drive away today. Any further information, please feel free to give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. Open Monday to Saturday, and our phone number again is 01782 822 700. If you want a more personalised video of any parts that we may have missed, we'll happily send you a personalised video for more information. Phone number again 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.